Well, hello, welcome back to Heating with Ege. Today, as you can tell, I got a new microphone, which last episode it was quite bad with all the background noise. So this episode we're gonna cook home-baked buffalo wings. Everybody loves buffalo wings, and it's really easy to make them home without a fryer. All you need, as you can see here, are the wings themselves, some hot sauce, usually traditionally Frank's Red Hot buffalo, about a half a stick of butter, then a combination of a quarter cup of flour, half a teaspoon of cayenne, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now, the first step that you want to do here is grab a resealable bag if you want. I don't have one, so I have to use this regular bag. Then dump this mixture into the bag. Then you're gonna wanna make sure that it's sealed tightly, or at least you're holding it tight, and then mix it up around to really get those seasonings mixed together. Now once that's done, you're going to want to open up your chicken wings. As you can see, mine are in the package. You're going to want to take these wings and put them into the mixture. And same again, once you put these all into the mixture, you're going to want to mix them a bit and refrigerate for at least an hour. So now that our wings are all sealed up and ready to go in the fridge, we're going to want to put these in the fridge for at least an hour and up to overnight if you have the time so see you in an hour. So now slightly over an hour has passed, and let's check on our wings here. As we can see, nothing visually has changed, but you refrigerating for an hour will really make the flavor of these seasonings stick out much better. So now we're going to want to get our baking dish. You want to do this with aluminum foil normally, but I didn't have any, so parchment paper also works. You want to open this and dip it into the marinade that we're about to make, which is about half a cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce and also about half a stick of melted butter that you can toss in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds. So we're going to put that in there, then mix it using a spoon. So now we're going to take our wings and dip them evenly into the butter and hot sauce mixture. Then you're going to want to make sure that all the flour is coated. And watch out for the part that opens up. You're going to want to put that on the parchment paper. Then you're going to want to repeat this for all the wings. Now that we have nicely glazed our wings, as you can see, during that time our oven has been preheating to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So now we're just going to slot them in here. And you're going to want to bake them for around 45 minutes. Now that our wings have gone about for halfway, we're going to want to flip them. So make sure that you're wearing a glove for this. Pull out your sheet. Make sure that you close off the oven so it doesn't lose any heat. Then flip these around using tongs so that you don't burn your hands. So now we're gonna want to still use pliers or tongs because they are still very hot. I want to put these on whatever dish you're gonna serve them in. So now you can enjoy the fruits of your labor, around 2 hours of work for these delicious wings. Enjoy.